Hello friends, I am fine and I hope that you will be also fine. Today's story topic is Faiz Ahmed Faiz. Please put on the nice comment, press bell icon and first of all you subscribe my channel so that you will receive my video easily. Thank you friend. Friends, Faiz Ahmed Faiz was among to the most celebrated and popular shairs. He faced political repression for his revolutionary views. Faiz was his pseudonym. His birth took place in the year 1911 in Sialkot, Punjab, from where he did not his basic education from Church Mission School. Later on, he did his master in English and Arabic from Government College, Lahore. During his college days, he continued to pursue his poetic appreciation. In 1936, he took up the poet of English lecture at MAO College, Amritsar. When the progressive movement in India gathered momentum in 1936, he was one of the best protagonists. Friends, Faiz beautifully blended the grief of the love with sorrow of life is the poetry which struck a chord with youth. In 1939, when his first collection Nakshe-Faryadi was published, the literary world was rocked with the ego. During the time, he also assumed the responsibility of editorship of Adab-e-Latif. In 1940, Faiz was appointed lecturer at the Haley College of Commerce, Lahore. So dear friends, how you like my video? Tell me in comment box. God bless you. So friend, bye. We will meet in the next video. Allah Hafiz.